here.
Listen, Nathan? Ooh, that's a bright light. Ooh, sunglasses.
Is that all it's going to do?
That's really bright.
Oh, well good.
That was awesome.
I should still have an hot flash. Are you recording these?
Yeah.
Why?
In case something exciting.
Go, 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 go. Uh-oh.
Madeline, here comes another one. Watch. No, say yellow.
Yellow. No, say golden.
Oh, it's got smoke rings.
Look, there's more of them. Diaphragm. Hannah, you're... Then sing it, Hannah.
Oh, say, can't you see?
Louder.
By the doctorly light, what's so proud? Through the perilous light, for the ram we watch, for so gallantly gleam in the rocket's red flame. But a Percy inhale, get through the good night, that our flag was still there. Oh, say us that stars sail, better can break, for the
I need a flag.
and a rock that love breaks.
Yay, Hannah!
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good job.
Should have had sparklers going on the back.
Yeah.
Now check it.
That hurts my eyes. Don't look at it.
Wow.
Hannah? Is that what that one is?
Now the butterfly one went along the sidewalk.
Yeah, with the one right in front of him, too. I
Oh, yeah?
Is it sparkler, Hannah? Go get it. Oh my word! Did she tell you? Oh, what a good girl. Barking. That is so pretty, Hannah. Look at the butterflies flying.
They're coming out of the cocoon.
They're free!
The wind changed direction.
I don't think it's going to last long.
I got video.
Show.